Welcome back, savvy viewers. Today we're about to unveil the best kept secrets that will transform your spending habits and put an end to wasting your hard-earned cash. Imagine a world where your spending habits enable you to save and live the life you always wanted. You might be wondering, is it really possible to save money that quickly? Oh, it absolutely is. These game-changing tips will have you slashing unnecessary expenses and building your financial fortress faster than you ever thought possible, which means you'll be able to save money and make your dreams a reality. So, buckle up and get ready for a roller coaster ride of jaw-dropping insights that will forever change the way you handle your finances. But before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing financial wisdom. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the ultimate arsenal of money-saving wisdom that can be put into action immediately. Not only will you be able to stop wasting money, but you'll be able to take control over your finances and pave the way towards a brighter, more prosperous future. And here's the best part, stick around till the end. We'll reveal an additional tip that will supercharge your efforts to save money and achieve your financial goals. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the 5 shocking secrets to stop wasting money in minutes. Get ready to unlock the key to financial freedom like never before. Let's do this. Embrace automation for savings and investments. Picture this. You receive your paycheck, and before you even have a chance to think about spending, an automatic system swoops in and tucks away a portion of your earnings into your savings and investment accounts. Sounds incredible, right? Well, it's time to implement this efficiency in your life. The first shocking secret to stop wasting money in minutes is all about automation. By setting up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your savings and investment accounts, you'll ensure that a portion of your hard-earned cash is put to work before you even have a chance to consider spending it on impulse buys. No more last-minute splurges on items you don't really need. Automating your savings and investments is like building a financial safety net that grows effortlessly. It's your shield against wasteful spending and the key to building wealth over time. But that's not all. We'll show you some simple yet powerful strategies to maximize your returns and make your money work harder for you. Say goodbye to the out-of-sight, out-of-mind mentality and say hello to financial empowerment. Apply the 72-hour rule. We've all been there, caught in the heat of the moment, tempted to buy that shiny new gadget or that trendy fashion piece. But before you give in to the allure of impulse buying, hold your horses. Here's where our second shocking secret comes into play. The powerful 72-hour rule. Imagine a world where every non-essential purchase undergoes a 3-day trial period. Yes, you heard that right. The 72-hour rule is a game-changing technique that puts an end to impulsive spending and gives you the time to make more thoughtful decisions. Here's how it works. Whenever you come across something you want to buy, resist the urge to make it an instant purchase. Instead, take a step back and give yourself a minimum of 72 hours to ponder over the decision. This brief waiting period allows you to cool off and gain perspective. What happens next is truly astonishing. You'll be amazed to find that many of those impulsive wants lose their charm after the initial excitement fades. By the time the 72 hours are up, you'll have a clearer mindset. You'll be able to distinguish between genuine needs and fleeting desires. Implementing the 72-hour rule is like having your very own money-saving superpower. It empowers you to make rational choices, avoid buyer's remorse, and cut back on spontaneous purchases that drain your bank account. Keep tabs on your spending. Let's face it, most of us have only a vague idea of where our money goes each month. But fear not, our third shocking secret is here to transform you into a money-tracking maestro. Imagine having a clear and detailed picture of every single expense you make. No more mysteries, no more surprises. The key to achieving this financial clarity lies in tracking and analyzing your spending. It's time to welcome budgeting apps and tools into your life. With just a few taps on your smartphone or clicks on your computer, you can effortlessly track every purchase, big or small. From that morning coffee to those online shopping sprees, nothing will escape your watchful eye. By recording your expenses regularly, you'll gain valuable insights into your spending habits. The results might surprise you, and that's where the magic happens. Armed with this knowledge, you'll quickly identify areas where you tend to overspend and spot those sneaky money leaks that drain your finances. But wait, there's more. We'll show you some clever tricks to cut back on those unnecessary costs without sacrificing the things you love. You'll learn how to set realistic budgets, prioritize your spending, and make smarter financial decisions. Say goodbye to financial fog or wondering where all your money went. The power of tracking and analyzing your spending will empower you to take control of your financial destiny like never before. But before we proceed, if you're enjoying the video so far and find it informative, please like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss out on more videos like this. Take advantage of cashback and reward programs. Welcome to the realm of money-saving magic, where every purchase can make you earn cash or exciting rewards. Yes, you heard that right. It's time to unveil the fourth shocking secret to stop wasting money in minutes: the incredible world of cashback and reward programs. Imagine getting paid for shopping. Well, it's not just a dream. It's a reality waiting for you to tap into. Many retailers, online platforms, and credit card companies offer cashback and reward programs that give you back a percentage of what you spend. Here's how it works. Sign up for cashback websites or reward programs offered by your favorite stores or brands. When you make a purchase through these platforms, you'll earn cashback, points, or other exciting bonuses. It's like getting a little something extra every time you shop. But that's not all. Our expert tips will teach you how to supercharge your rewards and maximize your earnings. From strategic credit card usage to stacking rewards, you'll be amazed at how quickly those little savings add up to significant sums. Think about it. Money you would have spent anyways can now be reinvested into your savings, used to pay off debts, or splurged guilt-free on a well-deserved treat. It's a win-win situation. However, remember to use these programs wisely and always pay your balance in full to avoid interest charges. Stick to your budget and avoid overspending just to chase rewards. With the right approach, cashback and reward programs can be your loyal companions on the path to financial success. Are you excited to unlock the doors of this treasure trove of savings? Keep that enthusiasm alive as we prepare to reveal the final shocking secret that will revolutionize your financial life and help you stop wasting money in minutes. Stay tuned for the grand finale. It's going to be mind-blowing. Break brand loyalty and shop smart. Welcome to the grand finale of our money-saving revelations. Brace yourself because our fifth and final shocking secret is about to change the way you approach shopping forever. Picture this. You're strolling through the grocery store, reaching for the same brand of cereal you've been buying for years. But wait, before you grab that familiar box, take a moment to reconsider. Our final secret is all about breaking free from brand loyalty and embracing the art of comparison shopping. Yes, you heard it right. Brand loyalty might seem harmless, but it often leads to overspending without us even realizing it. Instead, open your mind to trying different brands and exploring more affordable options for everyday items. Here's a secret sauce. Often, generic or store brands offer the same quality as their flashy name brand counterparts, but at a fraction of the cost. By simply making this switch, you'll see a significant difference in your monthly expenses without compromising on quality. But that's not all. Comparison shopping is your golden ticket to uncovering the best deals and securing the lowest prices. Before making any major purchase, take the time to compare prices online and in different stores. You'll be amazed at how much you can save by being a savvy shopper. And here's a pro tip. Embrace the power of couponing and cashback apps. They're like hidden treasures waiting to be discovered, offering even more opportunities to save money on your everyday needs and occasional splurges. Say goodbye to old habits and hello to the liberating world of brand exploration and comparison shopping. The money you save will add up faster than you can imagine, helping you achieve your financial goals with ease. Congratulations, money-saving champions! You've made it through all 5 shocking secrets to stop wasting money in minutes. Armed with this newfound knowledge, you're now equipped to take control of your finances, build a secure future, and make every penny count. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about making smarter choices and putting your money to work for you. As you embark on this financial journey, stay curious, stay vigilant, and always keep the desire to save burning bright. If you're hungry for more valuable insights and want to continue your path to financial success, there are some fantastic resources out there to help you along the way. We highly recommend exploring top financial blogs and websites like The Penny Hoarder, which offers a wide range of money-saving tips and investing advice. Additionally, Mr. Money Mustache dives deep into this concept of early retirement and financial independence, providing a unique perspective on achieving long-term financial goals. NerdWallet is a comprehensive website that offers comparisons, reviews, and expert advice on various financial products, helping you make informed decisions about your money. If real estate investing piques your interest, BiggerPockets is a goldmine of information with a vibrant community of investors sharing their experiences and strategies. For millennials, the Financial Debt blog covers everything from budgeting and saving to career development and investing. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to a prosperous, money-wise future for all of you. Until next time, stay tuned for more life-changing insights, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to lead a financially rewarding life. Goodbye and happy money saving.